Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP in the UK. It's quite simple to get yourself some XRP in the United Kingdom. The first step is using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, to sign up. And in order to sign up, simply open up your browser. In my case, I'm using the Google Chrome. So once the Google Chrome has been opened up, you're dropped at the kraken.com sign-in page. And your first step is to enter your email, your username or password. Remember, you could set up a personal account or a business account by clicking on any of the tabs available. Once you've entered your email and password, simply head over to the country of residence. And for us, it's the United Kingdom. So select the United Kingdom, click on by continuing, I agree to the terms of service, and simply click on create account. So once that's done, you could then proceed to click on the sign in option at the top right and simply sign into your account. Okay guys, once you've signed into your Kraken account, your first step or the most important step to getting yourself some XRP is to use the hamburger icon at the top left. So click on this icon, scroll down and select the buy crypto option. Now, once we've selected the buy crypto option, the only steps we need to take is really simple. Make sure your Kraken account is verified, and you can complete this verification by still using the toggle at the top left and simply scrolling down and selecting the get verified option. So click on get verified. You're taken to the account features and limits, so you can view the various limits for each account type. So once you've registered, once you've verified your personal account, all you need to do now in order to buy the crypto is the hamburger icon at the top left once more. Click on it, scroll through and select buy crypto. Now we're on the buy crypto menu. Click on the buy crypto and simply purchase a crypto of your choice, which in our case is going to be the XRP. You can buy the Ripple directly without having to go through any of the other Tethers or other cryptocurrencies. So click on the Tether USD, enter the amount you wish to buy. So let's say we're going with £20. All you need to do now is simply add a payment method and click on add a payment method once more. That's your card. Proceed to fill in the information, and once that's done, once the information is filled in, all you need to do now is simply click on review, and the purchase is going to be reviewed and the crypto is going to be deposited in your wallet. And in order to confirm this deposit, head over to the icon again at the top left, click on this icon and select the overview. Once you've selected the overview, your total balance is shown, including your pounds and your cryptocurrencies, which you can instantly view on the overview menu. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can buy XRP in the UK, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.